फ्रेंड्स, आज हम देखेंगे बेसिक एमसीक्यूज ऑन रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर्स फॉर बीकॉम, बैफ, बीएमएस, बीपीआर, बीएफएम, आईपीसीसी एंड सीएमए। तो स्टार्ट करेंगे बेसिक एमसीक्यूज ऑन रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर्स। First, debentures can be redeemed by issue of check, transfer of fixed assets, transfer of investment, endorsement of bill of exchange. Debentures can be redeemed by issue of check. Answer A. Second, to provide fund for redemption, a company may create sinking fund, create redemption fund, remain inactive, open new bank account. To provide fund for redemption, company may create sinking fund. Answer A. Sinking fund. Third, uncollected redemption money should be shown as loan, contingent liability, current liability, capital. Uncollected redemption money should be shown as loan. Answer A. Loan. Four, the forms of redemption of debentures are specified at the time of issue of debentures, allotment, receipt of application, redemption. The forms of redemption of debentures are specified at the time of issue of debentures. जब हम issue करेंगे उसी टाइम हम उसका forms of redemption specified कर देते हैं. तो आंसर A, issue of debentures. Fifth, the interest on investment representing sinking fund should be credited to profit and loss account, sinking fund account, debentures account, capital reserve account. The interest on investment representing sinking fund should be credited to sinking fund account. जो हमने सिंकिंग फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है उसके ऊपर जो भी कुछ इंटरेस्ट मिलता है वो हम सिंकिंग फंड अकाउंट्स के क्रेडिट साइड में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. तो आंसर बी, सिंकिंग फंड अकाउंट. Six, after redemption of debentures, balance in sinking fund should be transferred to capital reserve, general reserve, profit and loss account, security premium. आफ्टर रिडम्पशन ऑफ डिबेंचर्स सिंकिंग फंड का जो भी कुछ बैलेंस होता है वो हम ट्रांसफर करते हैं जनरल रिजर्व अकाउंट में. तो आंसर बी, जनरल रिजर्व अकाउंट. Seven, the Companies Act requires creation of dash by a company issuing debentures, capital redemption reserve, capital reserve, debenture redemption reserve, statutory reserve. The Company Act requires creation of debenture redemption reserve by a company issuing debentures. जो कंपनी debentures issue करती है उसके लिए debentures redemption reserve क्रिएट करना रिक्वायर्ड होता है. तो आंसर सी, debenture redemption reserve. 8, interest on sinking fund investment is credited to sinking fund account, profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, none of the above. Interest on sinking fund investment is credited to sinking fund account. Answer A. Nine, loss on sale of sinking fund investment is debited to प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, sinking fund investment account, sinking fund account, revenue reserve account. Loss on sinking fund investment is debited to sinking fund account. Answer C, sinking fund account. जब हम सिंकिंग फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट सेल करते हैं और उस टाइम जो भी कुछ लॉस होता है वो हम सिंकिंग फंड अकाउंट्स के डेबिट साइड में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. तो आंसर सी, सिंकिंग फंड अकाउंट. 10. A company has to create debenture redemption reserve if the maturity period is more than 18 months, 12 months, 24 months, 60 months. A company has to create debenture redemption reserve if the maturity period is more than 18 months. Answer A, 18 months. 11. Redemption out of capital can be made if the maturity period is less than 30 months, 24 months, 18 months, 48 months. Redemption out of capital can be made if the maturity period is less than 18 months. Answer C. 12. Interest on debentures is payable out of income, profit, capital, none of the above. Interest on debentures is payable out of income. जो भी कुछ इनकम होता है उसमें से हम इंटरेस्ट ऑन डिबेंचर्स पे करते हैं. तो आंसर ए, इनकम. 13. When debentures become due, the claim is credited to bank account, debenture holders account, debentures account, none of the above. When debentures become due, the claim is credited to debenture holders account. जो भी कुछ डिबेंचर्स का पैसा हमें देना होता है वो हम डिबेंचर्स होल्डर्स अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. तो आंसर बी, डिबेंचर होल्डर्स अकाउंट. 14. Premium on redemption of debentures appears in balance sheet till the date of redemption on asset side, liability side, profit and loss account credit side, none of the above. Premium on redemption of debentures appears in the balance sheet till the date of redemption on liability side. Answer B. 15. As per SEBI guidelines, the company is required to create the redemption reserve equal to 100% of the issue size, 50% of the issue size, 20% of the issue size, 10% of the issue size. As per SEBI guideline, the company is required to create redemption reserve equal to 50% of the issue size. Answer B, 50% of the issue size. Thank you. शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो.